In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number in Yahoo Mail in just 5 minutes. Whether you're updating to a new number or adding an additional one for extra security, these simple steps will guide you through the process with ease. To start, you'll need to sign in to your Yahoo account security page. This is the hub for managing your account's key security features. Open your preferred web browser and go to the URL login.yahoo.com/myaccount/security. If prompted, enter your Yahoo account credentials to access the page. Make sure you're entering your information securely, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. Once you're in, you'll see a section titled Ways of Signing In. This is where Yahoo provides options for managing your recovery methods, such as email addresses and phone numbers linked to your account for security recovery purposes. Look for the options that either say Add Email or Add Phone Number. If you've previously set up a recovery email or phone number and want to add another, locate the section that says Phone Numbers or Additional Emails. Clicking on this will give you further options to manage your recovery information. Now from there, select Add Phone Number. This is a crucial step, as keeping your contact information up to date ensures your content tactable should you ever need to recover your account. Enter your new phone number carefully. Double-check that you've input the correct digits to avoid any hassle during the verification process. Once you've entered your new number, click on the Next button. This will lead you to a series of on-screen prompts designed to verify your new contact information. Normally, Yahoo will send a verification code to the new phone number you've just added. Keep your phone nearby and be ready to input this code when prompted. Following the instructions carefully will lead you to complete the verification process. This ensures that your new phone number is correctly linked to your Yahoo account. With your security information updated, you can rest assured that your account is protected and recoverable in case you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully changed or added a phone number in Yahoo Mail. Remember, keeping your recovery information current is a key part of maintaining the security and accessibility of your email account. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on managing your online security with ease.